How to fix couldn't find compatible fingerprint scanner with Windows Hello Fingerprint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily fix if you are having issues with your biometrics on your Windows. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you're trying to set up biometrics for your Windows login and you are facing this issue, then the first thing that you need to do is check for your biometric services. And for that, you are just going to type in services on the search bar and open it up. And right here, if you scroll down, you will find the Windows biometric services. So go ahead and find that. And once you get to the biometric service, just click on it. And on the general tab, what you're going to do is go ahead and select your startup type as automatic and then click on start. Now it will attempt to start the service, and once that is started, click on apply and then OK, like this. And once you have done that, what you're going to do is close this out, close all of this, and then here you are going to search for another thing on your C drive. Go ahead and open up your Explorer, head over to C drive, and then click on Windows. And from here, first thing you're going to do is open up your device manager. And if you find the biometrics set up here, then you don't need to do this step. But if you don't have the biometrics step here, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and find System32 folder and then scroll down until you find the plugin folder. So just go ahead and find this. Search for WinBIOS plugin, and then from here you are going to open this folder. And if you see a face recognition folder here, just open it up and then install the face driver folder, and inside that you'll find the Hello Face, Windows Hello Face. You are just going to right click on that and then install that. And if you don't, once you have installed that, you can just open up your device manager option and you can find your biometrics setup here. Then you are going to right click on that and then update the driver, search automatically for drivers, and then after all of that is done, just restart your PC once and then your problem should be fixed. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.